Hi guys, Dave here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install a oil catch can on your car. If you don't know what that is, please Google it. Wikipedia will tell you all about it. Today I'm going to show you on my car the one that I installed. So let's get right to it. Get started here by going to remove the oil cap so I can remove the engine cover here. We'll just set that aside. Then remember to put your oil cap back on. You don't want anything flying out of the air and landing down in your oil fill tube there. Alright, so let's see. First off, a little bit about what an oil catch can is for. First of all, it's going to take in a pull oil out of your PCV, which is your pressure relief that's in your valve cover. Mine's set back here on the Camaro. It's right here. And on the Camaros, this line comes from your valve cover, normally comes up and goes right to your intake right here. And when you get your oil catch can, like the one I have here that I got from Phastek, if you don't know who Phastek is, just look them up on the internet. They supply a lot of Camaro stuff. They are a top supplier of Camaro stuff. Anything you might need for your car. So look them up for that one. I believe I paid probably about, I think it was maybe $60 something for this thing. Again, look online, see what the price is. Okay, so let me explain how to install this thing. Again, like I said, this line from the factory comes, you see the band clamp is, this connects with this up here. And when you get your catch can kit, it's going to come with some line like this. In fact, these two tubes right here were part of it in the kit. So you get your catch can, you get this, some extra tubing, or whatever company you buy your can from, they all pretty much have the same purpose. And that's to catch the oil that's being drawn out of your PCV valve, drop it into this can through, basically it's like little pieces of, almost like a scouring pad looking material that's inside here, that catches it and drops the oil down in the can so it doesn't go back into your intake. It's going to be a different location depending on what kit you get, what can you get. They have recommended positions to put this or places. This is where I happen to find extra space for mine. Right here where this mount is for the intake cover. So again, this comes as one tube straight from the factory, comes from back here to PVC valve, comes up and hooks right to here. So in the kit you got some instructions, and from what I've read on the internet, a lot of the instructions are very vague. On this kit here, it comes with the little fittings and stuff in there, so you'll get some thread tape and stuff, which is on here. You can see a little thread tape stuff on here. Put thread tape on, wind these fittings in to where you need them, and make sure they're pretty snug without going too tight, because they are plastic and everything. You know, they're nylon. They will snap off if you go too tight. Try to get them angled to the way you need them angled. Again, this is where mine fit best in here, where you place yours. I've seen them placed over there too, using the old airbox mount. So again, whatever kit you get may show you a different placement. This is where I chose, and it works out just fine. I had to put a washer under this fitting here to raise this up so that that would snap on. But other than that, this is the location I chose. So in the kit, you get the hoses, like I said before, and you're going to take and clip them to whatever length you need to once you clip this out. So what I chose, I took and hooked this up with the hose, and I laid it up here. Kind of saw where I wanted this. I left a little of the old plastic tubing that these things are made of on there, clipped it off, and then I crammed that up in here. You know, you stick it inside here as far up as you can get it, clamp it. Same for the other hose. I put this hose on first, kind of laid it out across here as far back as I wanted to go, and again cut the other tube which is inside here. This is a covering here. So it's got that same plastic tubing. You cut that, stick it up inside this hose. I think I've got this in at least about 1 inch. Clamp that down and get your mount and everything where you want it. Tighten that down. Making a lot of noise, so came inside here to finish up the video. So as I showed you, you got the how to install the catch can and everything, and it's just really important to remember that you know, you put one on. It's going to take the oil from your PCV valve, catch it in the can, keep it out of your intake. That's good so that it doesn't coat your intake. You know, you don't need all that. You need clean air going through your intake, not a bunch of oil. Also helps prevent detonation. You know, you don't want oil getting on your plugs and stuff. Just really kind of beneficial. And if you're planning on future mods like supercharging your car or turboing your car, that increased pressure can cause a lot of extra blow-by. So again, catch can could be your friend in that situation. Keep that oil, all that blow-by out of your cylinders. Detonation is not your friend. So again, thanks for watching my videos. If you like it, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Definitely tell your friends about my channel. I know I'm just getting started. I've got a few videos on there. So we'll catch you in the next video. I have just gotten a dent puller kit, so I'm going to try one of those dent puller kits on my car to get some small dents out. So look out for that video. See you later.